8斤。
吹牛。
Now let's talk about some of the cultural issues involved with losing weight. We should first mention that in China, the commonly used measurement of weight is a jin. Now there's no English corresponding measurement to a jin, but by coincidence, a jin is exactly equal to 500 grams, which is half a kilogram. So there are 2 jin in a kilogram. To differentiate between the two commonly used measurements, a kilogram is called gongjin in Chinese. Now, traditionally in China, if someone said, 这个孩子真胖, this child is really fat, that would be considered a compliment, because being fat was associated with being healthy, especially for children. Now that living conditions are so much better in China, obesity is starting to become a problem, and people are realizing that being fat doesn't always mean being healthy. So nowadays, gyms have become very popular, either for lifting weights or doing aerobic exercises, and many sports are popular in China as well. For instance, soccer, 足球, or badminton, 羽毛球. There are lots of choices for exercise if you have the willpower to stick at it. Now let's take a look at some of the vocabulary in this lesson.
减肥。
胖。
锻炼。
锻炼 means to exercise, or sometimes it's used to mean to practice. It can also be used as a noun, practice. Good practice. 锻炼。
坚持锻炼对身体有益。加强锻炼有助减肥。
马上。
放心。
保证。
保证 means to guarantee. Like many words in Chinese, it can be used either as a noun or as a verb, the same as in English, to guarantee something or to give a guarantee, a noun or a verb. 保证。
你能保证产品的质量吗？好的节目是收视率的保证。
减掉。
瘦。
肉。
Okay, now we've looked at the dialogues and we've looked at the vocabulary. Let's look at some of the common sentence patterns and expressions that we've come across as we've been talking about dieting and exercise.
哎，你好。
小江，你在干什么？
减肥。
减肥？你不胖啊？
你不知道，我一吃肉就胖。
一吃肉就胖。
一吃肉就胖。
什么？那你胖几斤？
我1星期胖了5斤。
1星期5斤？
是啊，可是我一锻炼就瘦下来了。
我一锻炼就瘦下来。
我一锻炼就瘦下来。
好，我下星期看你有多重。
放心，下星期保证减掉8斤。
吹牛。一吃肉就胖。
一